I love gardening and I've got tinnitus, so here's what I learned about the herbal medicine Ginkgo Biloba and the Ginkgo Biloba tree. 1. Studies vary on Ginkgo Biloba's effectiveness, but depending on the cause of your tinnitus, taking this herbal medicine may improve it. 2. Ginkgo Biloba can improve blood flow and regulate vascular tone, which is something that determines your blood pressure and flow from what I can gather. 3. Vascular problems is one possible cause for tinnitus, which is to do with blood supply problems to the labyrinth artery, which is the primary source of blood supply to the ear. 4. So that's why adequate blood supply to the cochlea by using Ginkgo Biloba may help.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck.